There's a specific kind of stress that comes with living paycheck to paycheck. It's not just about not having enough money. It's about doing mental math all week long. It's checking your bank account before buying groceries. It's wondering whether that bill already came out. It's hoping nothing unexpected hits before payday. And for a lot of people, the problem isn't laziness. The real problem is that most budgets don't match real life. Because real life doesn't happen once a month. Your rent is due on one date, your phone bill hits on another, your timing can still wreck everything. That's why a monthly budget often feels useless. What actually helps is a paycheck to paycheck budget. And now with Google Sheets and Gemini, building one is way easier than it used to be. In this video, I'm going to show you how AI can help you create a budget that works in the middle of actual life. Not a perfect fantasy budget, a real one. Let's start with the biggest shift. Most people budget by month, but when money is tight, you need to budget by paycheck. That small shift changes everything. You stop treating all income like one giant pile of money. You start assigning each paycheck a job. One paycheck may need to cover rent and groceries. The next may handle insurance and a debt payment. Now your decisions have context. A lot of people know they need a better budget. They just get stuck at the setup stage. That setup friction is what stops people. Gemini can help remove that friction. Instead of building from scratch, you can use AI to organize your expenses and suggest a layout. Here's the simplest way to set it up. Open Google Sheets and create a new spreadsheet. Name it Paycheck Budget. Now create 4 basic sections. The first is income. The second is bills and fixed expenses. The third is variable spending. And the fourth is savings. Even if you can only set aside a little, this section matters. It helps cover future expenses before they become emergencies. Once you have those categories, this is where Gemini becomes your shortcut. You can paste in your list and ask Gemini to organize it. A simple version of the spreadsheet might look like this. It does not need to be complicated to be effective. Simple systems get used. Your bank balance is not your spending limit. Your remaining balance after assigned expenses is your spending limit. That's a massive difference. Another area where Gemini helps is formulas. You don't need to be a spreadsheet expert. Gemini can walk you through the math. People build a budget around bills and forget real life. A budget has to be honest or it won't last. Groceries and gas still cost money. Include a section for irregular expenses. Vet visits, car registration, birthdays. Ask Gemini to help break those into smaller paycheck-sized amounts. AI can speed things up, but you still make the final choices. Gemini is your budgeting assistant, not your financial decision maker. Every time you get paid, open the sheet, review what needs to be covered, look at your remaining balance. This is how you build breathing room. That's when budgeting stops feeling like punishment and starts feeling like control. Your money finally has a plan. Google Sheets gives you flexibility. Gemini removes setup friction, and a paycheck-to-paycheck budget gives you clarity. Start with your next paycheck. Build a budget around the way your real life moves. Subscribe for more practical ways to use AI for money.